Well, good day, farmers. It's hot and humid one today. Oh boy. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to be getting the hay wagon and the baler out of the barn today. And I'm going to be going over the baler. And the wagon's going to stay out because Dad has to build a hay deck. But yeah. Like something came along and ate that. 'Cause that's one of the corn seeds right there. Dang. They were trying to grow. Oh, that's a bean right there. I know that's a bean. And yep, I know that's a bean. Yep. We got beans coming up too, so that's good. 2 freaking weeks, huh? This thing's been in the ground for 2 weeks. Get the old horses here. Show people like those. It'll get views. Horses. Yeah. I'm gonna be yanking stuff out of the barn here and backing them up. Rain came up on the radar, so we're going from drought to drenched here in the next few days. I figured I'm working on the baler still, so I figured I better film this for the old YouTube channel, or people will not be happy, huh? Gotta please the old viewers there. I'm adjusting these little spikes here. I'm taking these off. I'm moving this down because there's hole patterns here. I'm going to move it down one. I'm going to make little miniature bales this year. I'm only going to make I think the lowest setting on this is 42-inch bales, and I'm going to go with that because last year we were making somewhere in the 48-inch range, and they were just bowing in half. They were not really performing the way the baler wasn't really performing very well with those, so I'm downsizing to 42s, and I cranked down those tensioners I cranked them down 25 turns, 25 full rotations, so we'll see how that pans out. There's that. Now we're going to move this down one hole. Down here. There. It's got old lock washers on it, but they still seem to be okay. I think that's on there. It's just getting sticky. It's just sticky because of the dirt that's on it. Yeah, this is probably a little more efficient if we went this way. Yeah. Well, anyways, we're getting this done. So trying to get it done before the rain gets here. It's getting dark too. It's right about 8 o'clock, so. Oh shoot! Just kicked the lock washer onto the ground. Hopefully, I'm on a gravel driveway, so I can find it pretty easily. And to work fairly quickly here. Well, that's brilliant. Why didn't I think of that before? I'm gonna go say what I found in that barn just because I think it would upset a few viewers, but make sure these are tight. Yep. Now that's reattached. Go ahead and take these fins off because I won't be needing them anymore. 7/16 here. I'm really good at guessing these socket sizes now. And all these little teeth will go in the toolbox over there, and I need a screw. Kind of need a screw holder here. I got the socket kit out here, so it's got all these nifty screws in it. Try not to lose anything. Well, I do though. Oh, that was a lucky shot. Hasn't started raining yet. I hope it does though. I really do, because we need rain badly. So, no, this is just me rambling on and commentary. The camera's still got quite a bit of battery left in it, actually. Flip this open and toss these in here. Should probably get a little baggie to keep them in, honestly. So I'll just put them here. I'll go find a bag to put these in. So that's what I'm going to be doing for a little while here. So yeah. I guess I'll come back when I'm done because this camera doesn't have much battery left. But yeah, I'm basically taking these little fins off here. These, because they're detachable. And I'm just having the one gear down in there, and I'm going to make little bales. So this year. And I haven't greased anything yet. I think I'm just going to take care of this and be done for the evening. Excuse me. I redid the needles. They're all tied off and ready to go. So we should be golden for when I cut that hay next week. So yeah, I'll come back here in a little bit when I'm done with that. So show you guys what I've accomplished. Alright, come on, focus. 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 Frickin' thing. Well, anyway, oh, there it goes. Well, anyway, I got the baler tarped over here. You can probably see that, yeah. I kind of haphazardly did it just because it started raining, and it won't go any further back into the barn, so I crammed the hitch pin through this end so it's not going to fly away. And then I covered the rest of it in a sort of a redneck tarp that's been torn up, but it's holding and it's going to work for now. So anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.